the creation which will enjoy the pleasures of Jannah. So in Jannah, in kingdom of heaven, all a person's desires plus his spiritual desire and spiritual need, which is to be with Allah, be with the prophets, be with the Anbiya, and also to have family and actually enjoy kingdom and government and such a vast kingdom there forever. It's only for human being. So we cannot say even that you have won lottery, because for lottery you have to put something in, play something, and then you win or lose, whatever. Here you didn't even know, because you weren't existing. You were not in existence. It is just purely and sheerly the fadl of Allah that Allah created you as a human being. That you have this potential to live forever in kingdom of heaven. There are many animals who live 10 years, 5 years. They are like honey, bee, other insects. Some live 7 days, some live hours, some live 40 days. Some trees live hundreds of years. But everything will eventually come to an end. And then there is no existence for them after, once Allah Azza wa Jal make them, change them into dust. Non-existence. So only you and the Jannah, especially the people who the humanity we are speaking about, you should be thankful, feel very, very lucky and privileged that you have this opportunity. All others are going to perish. So you are so lucky, you are so privileged, and now you can utilize this time on the face of earth to make your life forever a heaven. But you can make your life forever a hell as well. But it is up to you.